This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 57 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're continuing with the finger, yeah, in the next couple of issues, we're going to be finishing it off. Of course, we're going to look through the magazine first, looking at the new Living Tribunal, a character that I'm completely unfamiliar with. But if you want to read the words, feel free to pause and zoom in and do what you need to do to read all about that. I'm just going to look at the pretty pictures. So yes, this is issue 9 of building the middle finger. We're starting on the plate on the back of the finger, basically. So we've got one plate to put in, one screw to hold it in place, and then a plate cover to pop in and hold that in place. Nice and easy. We'll get to that in just a moment. Monica, the Avenger. Oh yeah, the Rambo. Yeah, I've seen her in the shows and in the Marvels film. Quite good. I like that. I like it when I'm aware of characters from the films because I had not read any of the comics. There we go. And Fabian, Deadpool and more. That's not Deadpool, but there we go. Yep, another artist or creator in there. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this finger a little bit more assembled. So, the parts today, we've got our large metal plate, our plastic cover, and a couple of screws. I shall open that. I shall get one of those out. And the other one, I shall get 2 of those out, apparently. Now, there's 3 in there. That'll probably be all we need to do the rest of these. So, I'll keep those for them. Let's grab our big size screwdriver. That's what we're going to need. This cover basically just goes over, starting at the top. There we go. Covers all of the exposed plastic around there. Does the job. Let's get a screw in there, and that will hold it all together. I did return to this from last time. I did in fact forget a screw. It was kindly pointed out to me. Apologies, I can't remember who it was that made a comment that said there was another screw. There was. I've been back and put that in, so it's all together, nice and secure now. I did question that in the video as to why there wasn't another one, and there was. I just missed it in the picture of the description to do it. So let's get that tightened up on there. So we've now got one more piece, and then the little plastic bit covers over the screw hole in there. Obviously get it the right way round. That way round. What? Hey, hang about. That way round. There we go. Like it was the wrong angle, but it's not. It goes in there like that. And that is another issue completed. I'm pretty sure next time we're doing that one, and then the time after we're doing that one, and then we've finished the finger. So only a couple of issues to go until we have another finger completed. Looking good. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.